Next concept in retail management, that is a contemporary challenges in retail industry. Under that, it is non-store retailers. Non-store retailers. So before knowing what is non-store retailers, we all have studied what is retailing or who are retailers. What is store retailing? Like stores include, so like ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್? ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಹೈಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? ವಿದೌಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರ್, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗೇನಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ನವಡೇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ or because of development of in IT industries. Nowadays, selling of product without the existence of a physical store, one particular stores illade, like online selling, you can take an example of online selling is the best example for non-store retailing. No particular store, you have to shop in from your home itself. It is also known as non-store retailer ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೋಮ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಸಹ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ಸೊ it is said that non-store retailing is the selling of goods and services outside the confine of retail facilities. So non-store retailing is a form of retailing in which a firm sell its product without a physical retail store illade, which will not have a store place. It will have a direct contact with the customers to sell their product. In this 21st century, as we know, as a technology has improved, we have channels, non-store distribution channels, which sell a product directly to us. The Amazon is a site which sells a product. We can do a shopping from our home itself. There are different types of non-store retailers. We will see one by one. Types includes first one, direct selling. Direct selling is nothing but door-to-door service. A salesman. What the salesman do? The salesman come to our home. So what they are doing, they are coming to a home. Without, there is no existence of a store here. The salesman come to home. He motivates us. He influences us to buy a product which he is going to sell. So we have heard about door-to-door services of selling a goods. We have seen example like salesman coming to sell books, ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎನ್ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪೀಡಿಯಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. The salesman goes near a customer, he motivate a customer, he influence a customer to purchase his product. So most of ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಡೆಮೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್, ಹಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. So this direct selling is the oldest form, where the oldest form of selling a product. So salesman should be good in communication, and he should have a convincing skill. He should convey the consumer to buy the product. That is related to direct selling. Direct selling is nothing but door-to-door sellings of product and services to the consumer. Next one is telemarketing. So telemarketing is the act of selling or promoting the product through a telephone. By the use of a telephone, the media, that is telephone. By the use of that, selling a product, you might have seen a person calling you for the sake of selling the product, like ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಡೂ, ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಟು ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ about their product. If a person is interested, he will buy the product. So all this process is done through a telephonic service, or the service provided through a telemarketing. So best example, you can take a banker selling their credit cards through a telemarketing service. Next one, online retailing. Online retailing is the latest and most commonly used nowadays. Companies sell their product through a website or through a social media platform. A firm display all available items which is provided from their website, so that the customer has a multiple options of product. So we are all aware nowadays of this 21st centuries are going through the sale of product through online. The most of, even the has, due to the situation created nowadays, the most of the people are purchasing their product through online itself. How to order the product through online? The payment can be done through the online. The delivery will reach to our home step itself. So online retailing ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫ್ರೀ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ necessary that we have to browse it on a particular time only. We can, whenever we are free, we can browse it. We will look after the product which is available in the website, and we will order for that product if we are interested to buy it. So online retailing is a product which is sold through a website. You can take an example like Flipkart, Amazon, Jabong, Zomatos, JioMart, which sells even the essential products like necessity products to a consumer. Paytm malls, all these are the online retailings through which the product is sold. Next one, automatic vending. Automatic vending is nothing but it is a vending machine provided or kept where we can purchase a product by putting a coin to it. We might have seen a machine where we have to insert a coin, and from that machine, whichever product we need, that we will get. Most of the usually FMCG products, fast moving consumer goods products, operate such type of machine. Even if you might have seen like cinema halls, stadiums, cricket stadiums, you might have seen in a TV also vending machines where we get a product. Software companies or the companies which are highly technologized, they use probably such type of machine, like for a cafe coffee day or Nescafe which is a vending tea or coffee for you. So most of the products like involve similar cold drinks, newspapers, chocolates nowadays through this automatic vending machine. You purchase through this automatic. So most of this type of machine is used. Travelers go through this vending machine to purchase their product in their time of necessity. So on particular machine where we have to insert a coin at the amount which is set by that particular vendings, and product will be, there is no contact with the, so here there is no contact with the sellers. Next one, direct marketing. Direct marketing is a use of internet, telephone, non-personal medias to communicate product and organization information to consumer who can buy the product through mails, telephone, or media platform. Any platform which is used for the selling of a product to a target consumer. The system of market where an organization communicate directly with the target consumers to generate the response by the consumers. So that is called as direct marketing. So direct marketing, like marketing through newspaper, magazines, mails, website, messages, etc. So if you can see the emails from, if you have installed any app like Flipkart, Amazon, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಪನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಕೂಪನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್, ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಯು ಇವೆಂಚುಲಿ. So they are, what they are doing, they are direct marketing their product to sell the product to a ultimate consumers. Next one, last one, electronic retailing. Electronic retailing is nothing but e-retailing or a internet retailing. It is a retail format in which a product are offered to the customer through internet. The customer can evaluate and purchase a product. So ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ product ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ you can go through the product. There are different types of product available in the e-retailing. The kind of retail is gaining important in the recent years. So as nowadays there is a drastic change in the sale of goods and services. So all this sale which is done through internet, so even the payment can be done through internet. So shopping through an internet is called as electronic retailing. That is, shopping through an electronic, by an electronic way is called as electronic retailing. So retailing, non-store retailing ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್: ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಟೆಲಿಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ವೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಷಿನ್, direct marketing and electronic retailing. Electronic retailing and online retailing are little similar. Electronic retailing is a sale of goods and services through an internet